हाय बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। टुडे विल बी डू एक्सरसाइज 2.2 ऑफ चैप्टर 2 पॉलिनोमियल। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 2.2. In this question it's asking find the value of polynomial five x minus 4 x square plus 3 at first x is equal to 0, second x is equal to minus 1, and third is x is equal to 2. In this question you have to find the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. So in this polynomial first we will put x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, so suppose it is a px 5x minus 4x square plus 3. When x is equal to 0, so p 0, it will be 5 into 0. At the place of x will be put 0. Minus 4 into, at the place of x will be put 0. It means 0 square plus 3. When it will multiply by 0, it will be 0. It will also be 0. And it is 3. So the value is 3. When will we put x is equal to 0 in this polynomial, the value will be 3. It's your answer. Second, you have to put x is equal to minus 1. So in this equation will be put minus 1. P minus 1. Replace minus 1 at the place of x. So will we put minus 1. So at the place of x will be write minus 1 in the right side. 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. It is minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. It is minus 9 plus 3. So it is minus 6. Clear? When we will be put minus 1 at the place of x, the value will be minus 6. It's your answer. Third is x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, so put in this equation at the place of x p2, here 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. It will be 10 minus 20 plus 3. It is plus sign. It means it is 13 minus 20. It means minus 7. It's your answer. Clear? So putting this value, you have to find the value of this polynomial. For x is equal to 0, you get 3. For x is equal to minus 1, you get minus 6, and for x is equal to 2, you get minus 7. Now see second question. In second question, you have to find, question number second, find P0, P1 and P2 of the following. Question number first is P, Y, is equal to y square plus y plus 1. Question number second is pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2 t square minus t cube. Third question is px is equal to x cube. Fourth question is px is equal to x minus 1 and x plus 1. So you have to find the value. First you have to put 0 in each expression. Next 1 you have to put, next is 2 is equal to put in each equation. So let us see solution. For this equation py is equal to y square plus y plus 1, at the place of y first will be put 0. P0 is equal to 0 square plus 0 plus 1. It means its answer is 1. Now you have to put P1 in this equation. So when will be put P1 at the place of y, it will be 1 square plus 1 plus 1. It means it will be 3. Next P2, you have to put the value 2 at the place of y in this equation. So P2 is equal to 2 square plus 2 plus 1. It means 4 plus 2 plus 1. It means 7. Clear? It's your answer for this equation. Now we will take fourth equation, and second and third equation you have to do. Will we take fourth equation? Fourth equation is P x is equal to x minus 1 and x plus 1. So at the place of x, first value will be put P0. It will be 0 minus 1, it is 0 plus 1, and we know that the value of 0 is nothing. It means minus 1 into 1, the value will be 1. Now again will be put the value 1. Now P1 at the place of x in this equation, so it will be 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 and plus 1, it will be cancelled. It means 0 into 2, it means the value will be 0. It will be C here. Now for P is equal to 2, at the place of x will be put the value 2. So here at the place of x will be put 2 minus 1 and it is 2 plus 1. It will be 1 into 3. It means 3. Clear? So we can easily find the value which is given. For P is equal to 0, we can get 1. For 1, we can get in this equation 3. For P is equal to 2, we get 7 for this equation only. Clear? And second and third you have to do. Now we will see question number 3. Question number 3, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial. indicated them. First question, p x is equal to 3x plus 1 and it's given that x is equal to minus 1 by 3. You have to verify this value. It means x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the zeros of this equation. You have to verify. So we see at the place of x in both sides, left side and right side, will be put x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So see, will be put minus 1 by 3. It will be 3 into, it is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 and it is plus 1. 3 will be cancelled, it means it is minus 1 plus 1. It is minus sign, it is plus sign. So the value will be 0. Clear? So at the place of x, if will be put minus 1 by 3, this equation will be 0. The value of this equation is 0. When the value of this equation is 0, so it is a zeros of the polynomial. It means the value which will be put the equation. If the equation is 0, so it will be the zeros. If it is not 0, so it will not be a 0 of the polynomial. So it's verified. Clear? कहने का मतलब ये, अगर कोई इक्वेशन दिया गया है और ये पूछा जा रहा है कि इसको वेरीफाई करो कि इस वैल्यू पे ये इसका जीरोस है, तो ये वैल्यू उठा करके उस इक्वेशन में हम रख देंगे और रखने के बाद अगर इस पूरे इक्वेशन की वैल्यू 0 आ जाती है तो हमारा वो 0 सेटिस्फाई हो जाता है. अगर नहीं आता है 0 तो सेटिस्फाई नहीं होगा. क्लियर? वी कैन टेक अदर एग्जांपल. It's question number 6. Px is equal to Lx plus m for x is equal to minus m by l. इसको वेरीफाई करना है कि ये जो है इसकी वैल्यू इसमें रखने पे ये वेरीफाई हो जा रहा है कि नहीं. तो चेक करते हैं हम. At the place of x in this equation will we put x is equal to minus m by l. So P at the place of x, when will be put minus m by l, the value will be l into minus m by l plus m. This will be cancelled, it means minus m plus m. So the value will be 0. We know that when will we put this value, this equation value will be 0. So it is a zeros of this equation. This is the zeros of this equation. It's satisfied. Clear? Question number 7. Px is equal to 3x square minus 1 and it's saying that x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. You have to verify these are the zeros of this polynomial. So first will we put x is equal to minus 1 by 3. When will we put x is equal to minus 1 by 3? So it will be minus 1 by root 3. It is 3 into 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3 square minus 1 and it is a square, so sign will be changed. It means 3 into 1 by 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, so it will be minus 1. This will cancel, so it is 1 minus 1. It is positive sign, negative sign, both will be cancelled, 0. We know that when we put x is equal to minus 1 by 3, the value of this equation is 0. So it verify. So it is the zeros of this equation. Similarly, when will be put, it is minus, not minus, it is 2 by 3. So check it, it is 0, it is zeros are not of this equation. Now see, suppose we'll be put p 2 by 3, 2 by root 3 is equal to 3 into 2 by root 3 square minus 1. So we know that it is 3 into, it will be 4 by 3 minus 1. This will cancel. It is 4 minus 1. It is 3. We know that here we get the value of this equation is 3. So it is not the zeros of this polynomial. Clear? If it may be 1 by root 3, so it will be the zeros of this polynomial. Clear? अगर यहाँ पर 2 बाई रूट 3 हमने लिया, इसके जगह पे 1 बाई रूट 3 होता, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे 1 माइनस 1 बाई रूट 3 लिया था, अगर यहाँ पे 1 बाई रूट 3, क्वेश्चन में तो 1 बाई रूट 3 है, ठीक है, वो होता तो यहाँ पे जीरो आ जाता, तब ये भी इसका जीरोज होता, ठीक है। लेकिन इसकी दूसरी वैल्यू हमने ली है ताकि तुमको समझा सकें आप लोगों को कि इसकी वैल्यू अगर जीरो के अलावा आता तो वो इसका जीरोस नहीं होगा। क्लियर? सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, find the zeros of the following. Question number 4. Question number first is px is equal to x plus 5. Second question, px is equal to x minus 5. Third question, px is equal to 2x plus 5. And fourth question is px is equal to x plus d. ठीक, तो बच्चों थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना प्लीज, इस वाले इक्वेशन में यू हैव टू फाइंड द जीरोस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। इसमें जीरोस निकालना है, कोई वैल्यू दी नहीं है तो जीरोस कैसे निकालेंगे। पहला इक्वेशन हम लेते हैं, ठीक है ना। इसका सिंपल सा तरीका है, इस पूरे को यहाँ जहां पे पी एक्स है उसके जगह पे जीरो रख दो और इसकी वैल्यू निकाल दो एक्स की, ठीक। सो इट इज पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस 5. यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. सो at the place of px will be right here 0 is equal to x plus 5 because you have to find zeros. So at the place of this you have to write 0. So the value will be 5 will become in the left side, it will be minus 5 is equal to x, x is equal to minus 5. It's your answer. Clear? It's your zeros. It means if in this equation you have to put the value x is equal to minus 5, the value will be 0. कहने का मतलब ये इक्वेशन था, इसका जीरोस कैसे निकालेंगे, सबसे पहले इसके जगह पे जीरो रख दो, x की वैल्यू निकाल दो, ये आया। अब अगर इस इक्वेशन हम देखते हैं x की वैल्यू minus 5 रखते हैं तो इसकी वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी, शो सी बात है। तो बात समझ में आ गया किस तरह निकालेंगे। दूसरा इक्वेशन, इसमें जीरोस निकालना है तो इस साइड जीरो हम रख देंगे, पूरी वैल्यू पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स माइनस 5, तो इसके जगह पे 0 इज इक्वल टू एक्स माइनस 5, तो माइनस 5 को इस साइड हम लेकर के आएंगे, ये प्लस हो जाएगा, एक्स इज इक्वल टू 5 और एक्स इज इक्वल टू 5, ये आंसर होगा। यानी इस इक्वेशन में अगर हम एक्स के जगह पे 5 रखते हैं तो ये जीरोस हमारा सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगा। क्लियर? तो जीरोस निकालने के लिए कॉन्सेप्ट यही है, जो भी यहाँ पे पी एक्स क्यू एक्स कुछ भी रहे उसके जगह पे 0 रख के इसके बराबर कर देंगे और इससे इसकी वैल्यू निकाल देंगे। इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखते हैं। पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू x प्लस टी, हमें जीरोस निकालना है तो इसके जगह पे पूरा जीरो हम रख देते हैं, इज इक्वल टू x प्लस डी. So x will be, d will become in left side, it will be minus d is equal to x. So x is equal to minus d. It's your answer. Clear? So it is the method by which you can find zeros, and you have to do this exercise in your copy. Clear? Now exercise 2.2 is completed. Okay beta, thank you.